We are an AI university, and the AI Medallion is meant to represent the culmination of experiences students had while they were here at UF. Across campus, students are engaging in different AI experiences, both inside the classroom and outside of the classroom. So this medallion allows them to share and report all of the things that they have done in a cohesive or coherent story that then they can translate to employers after graduating of, these are all of the things that I did, these are all of the things that I learned, this is why you should hire me, because I am who you're looking for.
Oh, the medallion is so cool. I'm so excited to wear it at graduation and march across the stage. I'll be proud wearing the medallion and really just reflecting on all that I've been able to do with my time here.
The AI Medallion signifies staying up to date and being caught up with everything that's new. There's a lot of drastic change that comes with AI. Being on the forefront of that, learning about it and interacting with the UF community, I think really does truly set you apart.
Students can put the medallion on their resume, on their LinkedIn, just as they would highlight any other accolades, achievements, or accomplishments. We have identified 4 categories through which students should complete various curricular or co-curricular experiences. And as a result of all of that, we hope that students will be able to articulate technical and non-technical, enduring skills that they have learned through all of those experiences.
It's for students of all majors and all backgrounds. This is not an added pressure for students whatsoever. It's just a really nice recognitions for the things that you would have already been doing if you want to be, hands-on with AI at UF. There's so many different ways to earn the medallion. It's a kind of build your own adventure format where you get to take part in so many different endeavors, from the certificate to the scholars program. You're really recognized and rewarded for just doing the things that you want to do with regards to AI and doing things that are meaningful to you as well.
In the fall and in the spring, we will host events where we will hand out the medallions. Definitely the earlier you start, the better. As a senior, I would say it's still possible, but it's going to require a lot of intention to really make it happen in the span of a year.